Now our question number first of exercise 14.3. In this question we want to find out the value of its median. Now here this class is given to us and I told you that for median first always we have to find out this CF. CF means cumulative frequency. First you must know how we have to find out this CF. In this case first term will be as it is 4, the next value is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. In 9 next frequency you have to add 9 plus 13 is 22, 22 plus 20 is 42, 42 plus 14 is 56, 56 plus 8 64, 64 plus 4 is 68. So this last term of this CF and capital N means sum of frequencies 100% must be equal, and if these two values are not equal it means there is some mistake in our calculation. After calculating this CF, then next value is n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 68 divided by 2 value is equal to 34. Now in this case next you have to check in CF which value is just greater than 34. So here this value is equal to 22. After 22 next value is 42. So 42 value is just greater than 34. So this class will be the highlighted class, or we can say that this class is our median class, and by this way you have to highlight this median class. Now after highlighted this median class, the next value is we want to find out all these terms. All these terms means, because we know that what is our formula, L plus n by 2 minus EF divided by F into H, and for this formula all values we need. Now what is H? H here, H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit is equal to 145 minus 125 is equal to 20. Next is H is equal to here 20. Now F is equal to 20. F is what is the value of F? F is the frequency of the median class. So F is equal to 20, and now CF is always the previous value of this median class, and previous value is 22, so 22 value is equal to the CF. Now next is n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34, and L is equal to the lower limit of this median class, and here lower limit is 125. Now all values just you have to substitute in our formula, and our formula of median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus EF divided by F into H. Now 125, L is equal to 125 plus 34 minus 22 divided by 20 into 20. If we solve, after solution we obtain that 125. So median is equal to 125, and by this method we can find out